Let's talk about mind control. What is mind control? Mind control is of such a nature that you wouldn't know that you are under mind control. This is always becoming very evident when Christians comment under my videos. Christians generally are commenting in negative ways. They comment with threats. They comment out of fear, but mainly with threats when my message doesn't agree with them. If you have to threaten another person with hell or with divine consequences to pay, with an angry, narcissistic God that's going to punish you because you have the audacity to exercise free thought and free speech, and to take the freedom to explore, to think for yourself. Christians don't like that, and Christians are under a mind control that has them convinced that you and I and they themselves are not allowed to freely think and to validate what they truly feel at a soul level. And so under mind control, this programming, this fear programming and this threat programming is running in the background. And this is why Christians are always so nasty and just can't let people be, right? Christians, you are under mind control and you don't know it. The fact that you have to be so nasty to people, to other human beings, the fact that their freedom threatens you and makes you feel insecure shows that you are under mind control. You're not in charge. You're not connected to your soul. You're not in charge of yourself. You're running on a program. You don't have any feelings that are innate to your soul. You only have this program that tells you how to respond, and if someone else is not aligning with that program, then you have been programmed to attack that someone else. Either way, the programming is destructive, not only for yourself, but for other people. So that's why I make my videos in the freedom of expression that I am exercising, to show that it's okay to have a thought of your own. It's okay to think contrary to what is commonly believed. It's okay. This is how you explore, how you expand your awareness, how you expand your consciousness. You have to go into the areas that society deems forbidden, right? You don't want to be in that hive mind, collective hive mind, and think like everyone else. In fact, you don't want to think. You want to feel more. And it's in your feeling where you become your authentic self. You don't have to threaten people for being their authentic self. Don't do that. Don't do that. And just take my word here and consider that you may be completely mind controlled and just don't know it.